Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of ModbusTcp slave communication. Right-click on Device and select Add Device. Select SNet and Add. Click on SNet and select ModbusTcp slave device. Double-click SNet to configure network parameters. Select ETH link. Double-click on ModbusTcp slave device to configure slave parameters. If the watchdog function is activated, communication will be closed when the slave station does not receive query information from the master station. You can set the slave port number here, which defaults to 502. Below are the accessible size settings for the holding register and input register. Discrete input and coil selectable whether to enable access. The starting address of each access area can be set at the bottom. If a gateway product is used, set it here. If not used, there is no need to set it. After the setting is completed, it will appear in the IO mapping, and the address can also be associated with the actual variable. Download the project into PLC. Using the debugging assistant as the ModbusTcp master. Let's take a look at the actual data interaction below. Note that the slave station cannot be written here. It needs to be operated through instructions in the program, for example, using the move instruction to assign values, etc. It is also possible to obtain the communication status of the slave station through the ping of the slave station block. You can view the corresponding function block pin meanings and error codes in the Library Manager. About the introduction of ModbusTcp slave communication. That's all. Thank you.